Okay, guys. Again, today, inshallah, we will continue in lesson 2, right? And solve one-step addition and subtraction inequalities, page 341. Let's remember, guys, before we continue in our examples, let's remember how to solve addition and subtraction inequalities. We said we have two types of one-step until now, which is the addition inequalities and the subtraction inequalities, okay? Now, the addition inequalities, for example, x minus 4 more than or equal negative 8, for example. And here, this is the addition. It will be add. The subtraction inequalities, for example, x minus 4 less than or equal plus 8, for example. Okay? Now, if we have addition inequality, we subtract the connected number from both sides. The connected number, which is the number which is with the variable. Like this one, we rewrite the inequality x plus 4 more than or equal negative 8. So we subtract 4 from both sides. We do the opposite operation of the addition, which is the subtraction. Now we simplify. Plus 4 minus 4, they are gone. Still x more than or equal. Here, negative 8, negative 4, it is negative 12. And we said that to graph the solution, we go to the number line and search about negative 12. And because we have equal sign, we put closed circle and we read the inequality. X more than or equal negative 12. And to read the inequality, guys, which is so important, you always read from the variable, not from the number. If the variable here, read from here. If the variable here, read from here, okay? So here x more than or equal negative 12. More than, I will go to the right. Closed circle means the negative 12 is included to the solutions, okay? Now here, for example, I will make changes here. I will switch, I'll put 8 here. I'll put here less than, and I'll put here x minus 4. Now let's solve this inequality. I will rewrite the inequality 8 more than x minus 4, okay? Now, where is the variable here to the right? And the connected number is minus 4. If we have subtraction, we add the connected number in both sides. So here we will do plus 4, put a line, then minus 4 plus 4, they are gone. Minus 4 plus 4, they are gone. Still what? Still x. And this inequality comes down. Now 8 plus 4 is 12. Now to graph the solution, we will go to the number line, okay? We'll go to the number line and we put the 12 here. Let's read this inequality. Don't say 12 more than x, no. Say x less than 12. X less than 12, like this, x less than 12. These two inequalities are the same. X less than 12, x less than 12, they are the same. There is no equal sign, so we put open circle. X less than 12, I will go to the left. Open circle means that 12 is not included to the solutions. So this is what we did. In this lesson, the difference is we write the equation, we write the inequality. So we will continue. Now, in the previous lesson, I think we took example 1 and check 1. I don't remember. Who can tell me what we did in the previous lesson, guys? Iyad. Yeah, did we do example 1?
Example 1, it is already...
In the previous lesson.
Already solved.
Hello?
It is already solved, محلولة.
I know, yeah, mister. Did we do it on the board and the check?
I don't remember.
Right. Thank you. Yazam.
No, mister, we didn't solve it.
We did solve it?
No, we didn't.
طيب يلا. Example 1. Read يا Yazam. Example 1, guys. We are on example 1. Page 342. Read يا mister. I think we did it, but let's do it again. مش مشكلة. يلا read.
صحيح عملناها تذكرت.
We did example 1. Let's move to the
Yeah,
check, please, because I need to finish the examples. Let's go to the check after example 1. We have check, right?
yes.
So guys, we have check on page 343. Page 343. We have this check question. Read it, Yazan.
Hannah's exercise goal is to walk at least 6 and 1/2 miles this week.
Good. Wait, ya Yazan. Hannah exercises goal is to walk how much?
6.5 weeks.
6.5 at least. At what?
At least.
Least. Don't forget this word. Continue.
She has already walked 2 and 3/4 miles this week.
This week. This week she need to walk 6.5 miles at least. Okay. But she already did how much? 2 and 3/4, right?
Yes.
Continue.
Write and solve an equality to determine the distance Hannah needs to walk to meet or exceed
To meet
her goal.
or exceed her goal, right? So she need to walk how much? 6.5 at least. Okay. She already did how much? How much she already walked?
Already walked 2 and 3/4.
Read يا ابني. 2 and what?
3/4.
3/4. So 2 and 3/4 she already done. خلاص مشتهم 2 and 3/4. Now we need to know the rest. How much left to meet her goal, which is 6.5 at least. So we will give a variable. We will say let x be the rest distance, right?
Yes.
Now x and 3/4, these two should be what? More than 6.5 or less than or equal 6.5 with the word at least. At least, guys, we will go to the table, right? We have a table on the first page here. If you remember, I told you to memorize them. Where is at least, guys? Where is at least? Where is it? The last one, see it? Is at least we will use more than or equal. Is at least we will use more than and equal. So what we will say here, guys, we will say x plus what she already did, which is 2 and 3/4, is at least more than or
equal 6 and 1/2.
This is our inequality, guys. Now, this is our inequality. What we need to do with this inequality? We already write the inequality. Now, write and what?
Solve.
And solve. So we already wrote the inequality. What we will do now, guys? We will solve the inequality. Let's solve the inequality here now. Let's rewrite the inequality again. X plus 2 and 3/4 more than or equal. From where I get more than or equal, guys? From the word at least. Okay, more than or equal 6.5. Tell me, Yazan, how we will solve this inequality?
First, we will make it.
Tell me.
Minus.
This inequality, how we will solve it?
Mr. Can I say?
We will make.
يلا say. لا يزن. How we will solve this inequality? Hello?
Yes, Mr.
معايا يزن ولا لا؟
ايوه مستر معك.
طيب يلا. This inequality. What's the first step? What we need to do to solve it?
We will make it improper.
What? يا ابني, what we have here?
Yes, we will make minus
Minus.
2.
Like
2
this
and
one. X plus 4 more than minus minus in both sides. Yalla. Minus 2 and 3 over 4 in both sides, right?
yes.
And we put a line. Check.
Yes.
Now, we cross them. Still what here in this side?
X
X
is
and this
greater
comes
than
down,
or
right?
equal. Yes.
Now these two mixed numbers,
Positive.
guys, how we'll do them? Yes,
We will go in.
These two mixed numbers, guys, we go to a side here and calculate,
okay.
then put our answer here, okay? So we have 6.5 minus 2 and 3 over 4, okay?
Denominators
If
need
you
to be
remember, guys, in grade 6, you took how we deal with mixed numbers, right?
Yes.
Yeah, let's turn them to fractions. 2 by 6, 12 plus 1, 13 over 2 minus 8 plus 3, 11 over 4, right?
Yes.
Now, can we subtract?
No.
No.
No,
Make
because
different
down we have
denominators.
different denominators. I need to make 2 as 4 by multiplying here up
By
and down
2?
with what? By 2. This will be 26 over
26
4
over
minus
4
11 over 4. This will be 15 over what?
over 4.
Now we make long division, guys, 15 over 4, okay, to find the answer, right? Now here 3, 12, subtract 3. So what's the answer? 3 and 3 over
4.
3 and 3 over 4. This is the answer. I will put it here, 3 and 3 over 4. And don't let this, guys, to be in a step of the solution. Yani don't make these steps here. No, take what you want outside the solution, do calculations, then take your answer and put it here. So this is the solution of the inequality. So what's this mean? What's this mean in our question? She need to walk at least 6.5 miles. She already did 2 and 3 over 4, 2 and 3 over 4 miles. She need to do more, 3 over and 3 and 3 over 4 or more or greater than to get this goal, okay? This is the check, guys. This is the check question, page 343. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes, Mr. Thanks.
Good boy. Copy, guys, the check. Copy the question, please. Yes, Yusuf.
Sir, can I answer example 2?
Yusuf, do you understand this check one?
Yes.
Type. Wait, Yusuf. Guys, if you don't understand, please ask me. Put your hand, please.
Abdulatif didn't understand. Abdulatif.
Abdul Latif. Yalla, Abdul Latif. Abdul Latif. This girl, she wants to walk at least 6.5 miles, okay?
Okay.
She already did how much?
3 over 4.
She already walked this, okay? She still need more to get this one, okay?
Okay.
So let X be the rest distance. Got it?
Okay.
Now X plus what she did, because we have at least more than or equal the total, right?
Right.
Do you understand this?
Yeah.
Now we go here and solve the inequality. Do you know how we solve the inequality?
Yeah.
So she need to walk more, even 3 and 3 over 4, or what? Or more, right?
Yeah.
Do you understand it?
Yeah, Mister. Thank you.
Here. Do you have any problems here?
No, thank you, Mister.
Good.
Good.
طيب إياد,
ما عندي سؤال بس كنت
do you understand it يا إياد?
Yes, Mister.
وليد,
Mr. This x plus 2 over 2 3 over 4 no up. The last time we write this one, and we write it up, and we write another one. We rewrite it 3 times.
Mister, this inequality, we solve it here. Is there any problem?
No, I mean that we have to rewrite x plus 2 3 over 4.
Yeah, because here it's already done, so I rewrite it here. Okay.
Okay, I think that this is the question that
The question, yeah, it's already here. The question, I rewrite it here. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, good boy. Now let's move with Yusuf to the next example. Yusuf, example 2. Read.
Caleb owns 2 types of dogs. The difference in height of his Yorkshire Terrier and his Great Dane is at least 25 inches. Caleb's Yorkshire Terrier has a height of 6 and 1 over 4 inches.
Which page, Yusuf?
Page 343.
343, guys. Go there in example 2. Let's read together again, Yusuf, to prepare the question. Yalla.
Caleb owns 2 types of dogs. The difference in height of his Yorkshire Terrier and his Great Dane is at least 25 inches.
بس
Caleb's
wait يا ابني شوي الله يساعدك. When you read problem solving, guys, you need to read slowly so you understand what you are reading. Okay? Now,
Okay.
Caleb owns 2 types of dogs. Okay? The difference, what's the meaning of the difference?
Subtract.
We subtract. So the word the difference means we need to subtract. The difference in height of his Yorkshire Terrier and his Great Dane is at least 25 inches.
25 inches.
So at least, look here, guys. The difference in heights, for example, the difference in heights, الطول يعني, is at least how much? 25-ish inches.
Inches.
خلاص? Do you understand this step?
Yes.
Good. Difference means we will what? We
Subtract.
will subtract. It's a key word. But let's continue. Now, Caleb's Yorkshire Terrier has a height of 6 and 1 over 4 inches. Okay? The height of the first one, 6 and 1 over 4. Okay? Write and solve an inequality to determine the possible height of the other type, which is a Great Dane اسمه. Then interpret the solution. So one of them, we know Yorkshire, we know that the height of it. Do we know the height of the other one? We call it Great Dane.
No.
So what we will say here, let give it a variable because we don't know it, right?
Yes,
Let
X
be the height of
of Great Dane.
Of a Great Dane. Good. Now, and we know the other one, the Yorkshire, is how much?
25 inches.
No, the 25 is the difference.
6 and 1 over 4.
6 and 1 over 4.
6 and 1 over 4 inches for the first type. So, the difference means what? Can you give me the inequality, Yusuf? Yeah, give me the inequality now.
H minus 25 over 4 greater or less than
يبني H minus what?
H minus 25 over 4.
بديش انا لا تحولها، حطها نفسها. H minus what?
6 and 1 over 4.
ايوه. What we will write here? More than, less than, what we will do here?
More than or equal.
From where we get more than or equal?
At least.
More than or equal, how much?
25 inches.
Okay. Done. Now we have keywords, guys. From where we get the subtraction? From the word difference. From where we get more than or equal? From the word at least. Got it? Now,
Yes.
how we will solve this inequality, Yusuf?
We will rewrite it again.
Now, let's rewrite the inequality again. H minus 6 and 1 over 4 more than or equal what? 25. Then
We will mix positive 6 and 1 over 4.
in both sides, don't forget that.
Both sides.
So plus 6 and 1 over 4 plus 6 and 1 over 4 in both sides. Now,
It will be rest the H.
so H equal or more than or equal, not equal, add these two numbers. What they will be?
120 125 24
ليه 100 يا حبيبي 25 plus 6 and 1 over 4 what it will be 31
over
and
4.
1 over 4 شو المشكلة do you understand that
Yes.
goodbye any questions guys remove your hands I need to receive your questions about this one remove your hands all unless you have a question okay if you have a question keep your hand Faris
Does it need to graph?
Faris
Does it need to graph?
if the question wants right and solve no if the question wants you to graph the question will say graph the solution okay
Yeah.
but the question write and solve so I write and I solve it this is the solution else Faris
No,
yes
How do you know if you put beside the number and the variable plus or minus?
from the question everything here the difference right
Yes.
what's the meaning of difference subtract here this girl was walking she did 2 and 3 over 4 right
Yes.
she wants to get 6 and half but we don't know the rest distance so I call it x remember
Yes.
so together to put them together we add or subtract
Add.
we add that's why I added here that's why I subtracted here in the problem solving yes you need to read the question very well if you don't understand the question you won't solve it that's why guys when you read a question read it slowly carefully stop at each point at each word understand it so you can analyze and solve okay good yes مين معانا محمد حسن
Yes, mister. I don't understand
يا محمد
how how we know it's negative or positive. How it's subtraction or addition.
the same question of yes here what's they wrote the difference right in the question
Yeah,
what's the meaning of the difference يا ابني
subtraction.
we subtract the difference between 5 and 4 is 5 minus 4 مش هيك
Yes.
so it's from the question got it
Okay. Thanks.
yeah let's do the check after this example guys we have check let's do it we have check so you will do it in your book page what
Page 344.
yeah 344 together
Wait.
Yeah, Gabriella. Gabriella. Let's see what Gabriella. Yes, read ya, yes. Yalla. Focus, guys. Hello.
Gabriella paid 17.25 for a sweatshirt that was on sale.
Good. Gabriella paid $17.25 for a sweatshirt that was on sale. يعني كان عليه عرض، صح ولا لا؟
صح.
True.
Good. Continue.
The difference between the original price and the sale price was at most 8.5.
طيب. Yes, here the difference. We will add or subtract?
Subtract.
We will subtract. طيب. Do we know the sale price?
No, we will X. Put it X.
لا يا مستر. We know the sale price. Hey, on sale, right? The sale price is how much?
17.25.
Do we know the original price?
8.5.
يا حبيبي ركز الله يسعدك. Read again. يلا.
Gabriella paid 17.25 for a sweatshirt that was on sale.
So the sale price of the sweatshirt is how much?
17.25.
The difference between the original price and the sale price is at most 8.50. I'm asking you now, do we know the original price?
No.
No, we don't know. We know the difference between the original price and the sale price, but we don't know the original price, right?
Yes.
Continue. Write and solve.
Write and solve an inequality to determine the possible price of the sweatshirt.
So the question asked me about the original price of the sweatshirt before what? Before the sale. Got
For
it?
the sale. Yes.
Yeah. Let's prepare our things here. The sale price is how much?
The sale price 17.25.
$17.25, right?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Do we know the original price?
No.
What we will give it?
X.
X. بتمون. طيب. Now the difference, the question said, the difference between the original price and the sale price means X minus 17.25, right?
Yes.
Is at most the difference is at most how much?
8.50.
8.50. The word at most now. From where we get the inequality of it?
From the table.
Let's go to the table and see the word at most, what it means. Where is at most, guys? Here. At most means
less than or equal.
Less than or
equal. So the difference between the original price and the sale price is X minus 17.25 is less than or equal mean
8.5.
8.50.
Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Mr. Iyas, do you understand this inequality, how we prepare it?
Yes, yes.
Good boy. Guys, all of you, do you understand how we prepare the inequality? Because the next step is easy, is how to solve. The important step is how to prepare the inequality. This is the important now. No one. So all of you understand it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. طيب. Go, ya Mr. Iyas. How we will solve this inequality? يلا.
We will rewrite it.
Rewrite the inequality then. X minus 17.25 less than or equal 8.50. Then
Add 7.25 both sides.
yeah, we will add 17.25 in both sides. ممتاز. Line, these are gone. Here is still x less than or equal comes down, and here we add. It's a 25.75 dollars. What's this mean, guys? X is what? X is what? X is what?
The original price.
The original price. So what's this mean? This means that the original price is this money or what?
Or equal.
Or less. Means the original price is 25.75 or what?
Yes.
Or less. Do you understand it, guys?
Yes,
So
Mr. I
x
do.
equal 25.75
Or less.
or less.
ما هذه less than or equal. لو كانت هيك شو بنحكي؟ X equal only. But here no. X is this price or what?
Or less.
Or less than. Okay?
Mr.
Equal or less than.
Mr. I flip 8.50 with 17.25 and it gives me the same answer.
Should be. Should be. White solution. But how do you understand these ideas, guys? Now,
Yes, Mister.
Now, let's see, guys, on page 347, let's see, in page 347, your homework. Page 357 is your what?
Homework.
Your homework for today. Okay, guys? Let's take a look there and try to make hints there. Yeah.
Mister, can I
See
ask you
question
first?
one. Let's see question one, guys. No, I will just talk about the homework. You will do it alone, okay? Gabby went to the amusement park with $40. إذا راح البارك هذا قديش معاه؟
$40.
$40 to spend. His ticket cost 26.50. Determine how much Gabby can spend on souvenirs and snacks, then interpret the solution. Now, the ticket cost what?
26.50.
Good. The total money? 40. طب, can he spend more than 40? Who can tell me, guys? Can he spend more than 40 or 40 or less than? What he can spend? Hammas Madi.
Mr. Page 357 is solve one-step multiplication and division. Until you wrote page 357 on the board.
Sorry, أنا غلطت. خلاص 347 we are here.
Because I was confused, I couldn't find the page.
مش مشكلة. 347 guys, not 357. It's mistake by me.
No problem.
يلا يا محمد. Tell me, can he spend more than $40? راح محمد.
No.
Okay. Because guys, he has only $40. What we will say, guys, the other souvenirs and the snacks, we will give it X. X plus the total or the ticket cost should be what, guys, with 40? More than or less than? Who can tell me? Rayyan. ريان ليش بعمل لكم انا ميوت؟ ليش ما بيصير؟ فارس
We will make like less than 40. Why? Because there is spent on maybe.
We will make less than or equal 40, guys. Less than or equal, because he has only 40. He don't has more to spend more. So on the ticket and on the other snacks, he need to spend how much? 40 or less.
Yeah.
So prepare the inequality at the same way here and do it. Now, guys, in each question, if you read it, you will find the keywords inside the question. Try to figure out them, okay? If you have any questions, for sure, you can ask me in Placera. Now here, guys, you have the homework. Sorry, it's not page 357, it's 347. And today at 2 p.m., after maybe 15 minutes, guys, you have online assignment, okay? Math online assignment at 2 p.m. Now this math online assignment, guys, you can do it today or tomorrow or Saturday. It will be expired Saturday at 11 p.m. So it's not conditioned to do it today. You can do it today at night, tomorrow morning, بعد الصلاة, بعد الغداء, امتى ما بدك, during the weekend, but before 11 p.m. on Saturday. It has 10 questions, solve them, and see your mark, how much it will be. Thank you so much,
Mr.
and
Do I
have a
stop
happy
the recording?
weekend. Goodbye. What?
Do I
Yes,
stop the
stop
recording?
it, ya Omar. Try to send it now.